This is what you're going to say when you can't start your bike. There's a secret way to get into it. It's called a emergency code. I have directions, I have the key, your ID card, and you want to keep these with you at all times. Like I said, I'll have the link to the manual. It's in the actual owner's manual. So I would keep this under your seat in the bike itself. And keep a key ring, you know, not only your key fob, but you're going to want this ID code. And this is the one with the barcode because there's two of them. One of them, I think, is the code to order a new key fob. So it was a little confusing, but the manual shows the picture of the one with the barcode. So use that one. That's your 9-digit ID number. And of course, this is the wrench to unlock your seat. So this is what I keep on my key ring. Hope that helps. Practice it. I did it. It was the first time I did it. I had to do it 3 times before I got it right. So make sure you know how to do it. All right.